Welcome to my channel Glory with Mathematics. Please subscribe, like and share. Dear students, let us discuss the next part of the chapter whole numbers. Here in this section we shall discuss some examples. Example 1. Add the numbers 234, 197 and 103. Solution is, so 234 plus 197 plus 103. So taking the last two numbers together we can write it as, so that is equal to 234 plus within bracket 197 plus 103. So first add the numbers within the bracket. So that is equal to 234 plus 300 is equal to 534. Next example 2. Find 14 plus 17 plus 6 in two ways. Solution 1. First method. So 14 plus 17 plus 6 we can write it as, so first we will add 14 and 17. So we put them within the bracket. So this is the associative property. So 14 plus 17 plus 6. So 14 plus 17 that is equal to 31. 31 plus 6 is equal to 37. Another method. So 14 plus 17 plus 6. So in this method, so 17 plus 6, here we use the commutative property. So 17 plus 6 becomes 6 plus 17. So 14 plus 6 plus 17. So here we can add 14 plus 6 together, that is 14 plus 6 you put them within the bracket plus 17. So here in this step we apply associative property. So 14 plus 6 is equal to 20, 20 plus 17 is equal to 37. Next example 3. Find 12 into 35. Solution. 12 into 35 that is equal to, 12 can be written as 6 into 2 into 35. So that is equal to 6 into 2 into 35. So here we use associative property. So this is equal to 6 into 70, or that is equal to 420. Then example 4. Find 8 into 1769 into 125. So solution. 8 into 1769 into 125. So here we last two numbers we use commutative property. Why? Because we know that 8 into 125 is equal to 1000. So that will be easy for calculation. So here we use commutative property. So the first line becomes 8 into 125 into 1769. So first we have to multiply 8 and 125. So we put them within the bracket. So here we use associative property. So 8 into 125 into 1769. So this is equal to 1000 into 1769. So this becomes 17,69,000. Then example 5. The school canteen charges rupees 20 for lunch and rupees 4 for milk for each day. How much money do you spend in 5 days on these things? So solution. So this can be found by two methods. So method 1, find the amount for lunch for 5 days, find the amount for milk for 5 days. Then add, that means the total cost of lunch for 5 days is equal to 5 into 20, because the per lunch charge is rupees 20. So for 5 days, that is 5 into 20, rupees 100. Then per day the charge for milk is rupees 4. So for 5 days the total cost is 5 into 4, that is rupees 20. So then we add, total cost is equal to rupees 100 plus 20, that is equal to 120 rupees. So we can find this solution in another way also. Method 2, find the total amount per one day, then multiply it by 5 to find the total amount for 5 days. So cost of lunch plus milk for one day, that is equal to rupees 20 plus 4, that is equal to 24. Then cost for 5 days is equal to rupees 5 into 20 plus 4, that is equal to 5 into 24, that is equal to rupees 120. So this example shows that 5 whole into 20 plus 4 is equal to 5 into 20 plus 5 into 4, which is our distributive property of multiplication over addition. So this is the principle of distributivity of multiplication over addition. Then example 6, find 12 into 35 using distributivity. Solution, 12 into 35 is equal to 12 into 30 plus 5. We can write 35 as 30 plus 5. So by using distributivity of multiplication over addition, we can write it as 12 into 30 plus 12 into 5. So this is equal to 12 into 30 is 360, 12 into 5 is 60. So 360 plus 60, that is equal to 420. Then example 7. Simplify 126 into 55 plus 126 into 45. Solution, 126 into 55 plus 126 into 45. So here we use the distributivity of multiplication over addition, that is A into B plus A into C, that is equal to A into B plus C. So this becomes 126 into 55 plus 45. So this is equal to 126 into 100, that is equal to 12,600. Thank you.